Good morning, members. Teal here, and I want to talk to you briefly about the frosting and icing recipe. I recently posted an icing recipe using Tru-Foam in the group, and I wanted to let you know that that's mainly a decorative recipe, but I have modified the Wilton Royal frosting recipe over the last couple days. To test it with the Tru-Foam, I added a little cocoa betaine in there, and I wanted to show you the results. So here is a frosting that I made yesterday. It's pretty hard, so it will package well. It's also got the crumble ability of perhaps a bubble bar, and it will, I'll demonstrate right now what it will do. Okay, so still kind of solid. Now I'm going to start crunching on it, breaking it up. So it's kind of soft and doughy in my hand. Okay. Now, this is cold water, by the way. Let's turn that water off. So as you can see, it gives you nice bubbles. This will be in addition to your bath bombs or bath bomb cupcakes. And I'm happy with it. As I said, my initial recipe was mainly for decorative purposes. You could pipe roses with it. This one has got bubbles, is crumbly, but hard enough for you to package. It dried up pretty good in like a day, 24 hours. It's available for all of our previous customers that bought the bath bomb press or bought the Tru-Foam. And if you purchase your Tru-Foam today, you can also receive this recipe. So hope you're having a great day, and just wanted to share this with you. Bye-bye.